So this exercise is phenomenal post-op to restore full extension, and that is a banded hyperextension exercise. This really targets and fires up the quadricep muscle, and that's the main thing we're working with this. And there are a few key points we want to work out when we're doing this exercise. First thing is the heel popping off the ground. The second thing is making sure you keep the upper thigh down. Don't allow that leg to lift. The third thing is going to be letting go of the band slightly when you've done the exercise to make sure you can hold that leg there for a full 5 seconds and not allow it to drop to the ground. So we're pulling up with the band, we're assisting, but then we're letting go and we're keeping that heel off the ground, all whilst we keep that thigh on the ground. So it's really getting that squeeze of the quad and activating that quadricep muscle, all whilst getting a full hyperextension at the knee joint, which is perfect post-surgery. If you like this one, guys, subscribe to the channel and check out the video on the screen if you're doing exercises post-op, because if you've got your extension, you also need to have your flexion.